are the universe. We are the universe. Don't forget that we are the universe. We are the universe. Don't forget that we make up a universe that's unified. Not just you